Does your garage door won't fully close every time it's sunny out because the sun is constantly hitting your garage door sensor? Well, stay tuned. I got some tips and tricks for you to solve this problem. So stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to another episode of Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So most of the garage sensors that you see on most homes today, and including mine as well, which I'll show you in a bit, are these universal garage sensors. And if you can look closely, let me show you right quick. You can see that the lens is right flushed with its body. Once the light starts hitting that sensor, it disrupts the beam that goes to the other sensor, which triggers the garage door to go up. What can we do so that we can protect this sensor right here from the light or any type of lighting or from the sunlight? Now let me show you trick number one, which is the cheapest DIY trick that you can do to cover these sensors or shade it from the sunlight. And I want to give credit to this DIY method to my good friend Lester. He is the CEO and inventor of the green hinge system. So if you haven't seen my green hinge system videos, he is the one that created that hinge that makes your garage door smoother, quieter, and makes you save a lot of money on energy without preventing energy loss inside your garage. So if you're interested on these videos, please check these videos out. He is the maker, creator, CEO, president, whatever you want to call it, the head guy of the green hinge system. So check out these videos right after you watch this one. So let's go to tip number one. Let's get to it. If you're looking at my sensor here, and like what I showed you in the universal sensor, it's pretty much the same. Measure these things with the bracket. Could get away with 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, and we could go, let's see the depth to this. Let's do 5 at first, and then if it's too long, we can always cut it and trim it down. So just take any cardboard. This one's from a box. I just cut off one of the flaps. Just gonna transfer our measurements. Looking at around 5 here. So let's go 2 inches. So that's how many sides? 2 times 4. It's 8. Doesn't have to be super perfect. Just divide it. 2, 4, 6. There you go. Now we just connect the tops. Like so. Just cut it out like so. Why are you cutting on top of your flooring? Well, if I zoom out, this is actually just a mock-up. So I'm planning to change this out anyways. So no worries on that. Just gonna lightly score the lines, okay? So you're not gonna cut all the way through to end up cutting it, but you're just gonna lightly just score the top. Not all the way. It's kind of like when you're cutting drywall paper. You just don't want to go all the way through, and you're just scoring the top, just like that. You score it, it creates these little bends just like that. So let's go tape up the ends. And we got ourselves a nice box. Now let's go and trim out and test out what we can cut out to make it fit over that sensor. Cut away from your body like so. So it looks like we might need a little bit more. Okay, there you go, like so, so that that wire can go over like so. Okay, so now it looks like this. Should go right over. There you go. This cutout I made is about 3.5, 1 and say 3/4. What it does is it's just a slip-on right over the sensor like this. See that? It's just pressure fitted, just like that. What you can do is you can unscrew this right here, and you can screw it right on the back as well. Right after you push it over. You can be totally creative and do whatever, but you kind of get the concept of this. The point of this is that when the sunlight or any type of light hits that area, it doesn't hit the sensor because this will act as a shade. So this is about the cheapest and easiest way you can make one of these shades. And let's see if it still goes down even with this shade on. Which door is still going down? So sensors work fine with this cover on. And you can do the same thing on the other side, and you shouldn't have any more issues with the light hitting that sensor. And you can always take this off anytime as well. So hopefully you found this method pretty cool and easy to do. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. And again, this is from Lester, the CEO and the one who invented the green haze system. Again, check out that video, these videos right here after you watch this one. Now let's get to tip number 2. So if you don't want to make one out of cardboard, I know this could get flimsy, and over time the moisture and sometimes water hits this during the rain seasons and it will fade away and starts crumbling and getting soft. So if you want a more sturdier version, I found one in Amazon, and this is the garage door sensor protectors. Now this is made out of plastic. It looks like it's been used from a 3D printer or something. But if you're interested on this one, I'll leave the link on the description down below. It's the Amazon link, so go check these out. And like what I said, it's made out of hard plastic. It has these 2 different cutout holes for adjustments depending on what your garage door has. It goes over the sensor like this, and it kind of works the same way, just like the box, just a nice fancier version. Okay, so let's go and install it right quick. Look at right here, this is what's holding the sensor in place with this bracket, like so. Make sure you hold the sensor in place with your hand, because if you don't, this will fall apart or fall over. And it looks like this one will fit on the last hole of this sensor protector. Just place it over like that, just like so. Easy. And it looks a lot cleaner, and it goes between the 2 brackets right here. If you look right through there, the sensor is centered right on the middle of this sensor protector. So as you can see, I put the other one on the other side. And let's put a foot here. There you go, still working. So as you can see, installing those garage door sensor protectors were super easy. It took less than 5 minutes. It's DIY friendly. And again, if you're interested on that same one that I use on those sensors on my garage, I'll leave the link on the description down below. It's an Amazon link. And again, I am not sponsored by that product. Okay, friends? Everything that I will be showing you on this video is I bought it with my own money to show you and help you out, so that you don't have any issues when it comes to sunlight or any type of lighting hitting your sensors and disrupting the flow of your garage door opener. So let me show you my final one, which is the 3rd method that you can do. And this one is specifically only for the Genie garage door brands. Now this one's specifically made for the Genie garage door sensors, and this one's called the safety beam. You're probably familiar with this already. I'm not going to be installing this on this one because mine is a LiftMaster. This is going to be the all-in-one with the sensor included with the built-in safety sensor protector. Okay, let me open up and show you the features on this one in case you're interested. Hardware and 2 of the safety beams. And as you can see, it's very straightforward. It has the sensor right inside that window, and this acts as the sensor protector tube. When the light hits this plastic right here, it doesn't go directly onto the sensor, which is located deep inside that window. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the wire, so it's just a direct replacement if you have the Genie system. Okay, friends? So again, since I don't have this anyways, it's probably going to sit in my garage, so I want to give this away to you guys. I'm going to put it back in the packaging, and let me know if you have a Genie garage door system, and if you comment down below, I'll pick one who comments first who has it, and I'll send it to you for free. This goes up to, I believe 30 bucks. So it's not cheap. Again, leave the comment section down below. Whoever comments first that has the Genie system on there, just type in or comment down below, I have a Genie garage door system. I'll send this to you right away. Okay, friends? So there you have it, friends. Those are the 3 methods that I got for you so that you can prevent any disruption from your garage door sensors from any sunlight or any type of lighting from your headlights or anything like that, so it doesn't disrupt the functions of your garage door opening and closing. Again, this acts as a great safety features as well, so you can protect yourself or anybody that's going through your garage door. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you found your favorite, which ones you actually have done already, and which one you're trying to plan to do in the future. So let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.